Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to add Shopify products to Google Merchant Center. First thing that you should do is to simply go and open your Shopify and log into your account. Then go and click on the settings on the bottom left side. Then here you should click on Shopify App Store, this button. It will navigate you through this page. Just search for Google and YouTube app. Now simply click on install. And after installing, it will show you here this page. Just click on install again. Then now you'll have to connect your Google account. And of course, you need to connect the Google account that is associated with your Google Merchant Center. So be careful when choosing the account. Then click on continue, click on allow. And finally, now you'll have to connect your Google Merchant Center account. So simply choose it, then click on connect. Then scroll down, you'll find here some options. These 4 options, you should manage them all and do some adjustments to them. So I'll simply click on product sync settings. I'll choose the first option, automatically sync your products using the Google and YouTube app. Then go to the second option, which is the target country and language. And now you have to choose the target country and the target language. Then click on save. Then now you'll have to manage the shipping settings. So I'll choose automatically import shipping information, then click on save. And finally, you'll have to go and manage the checkout link settings. Simply click on include links to checkout and product page, and this is the recommended option. Then click on save. Scroll down till you find here this section, terms and conditions. Just check this box, then click on complete setup, and you're all done. But you need to wait for about an hour just in order to do the updates to your Google Merchant Center and complete the connection process. And now after an hour, you can go open your Google Merchant Center, then click on the settings icon on the top right side and go to data sources. And here you will find that you have successfully connected your Google Merchant Center to your Shopify. And that's all for today's video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.